Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the LG XBOOM OK99. Now this is an all-in-one hi-fi system, maximum power, maximum fun. Now you can pick this up on Amazon. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on this one, $700. Alright, so let's go through some of the features real quick. Powerful bass. This powerful all-in-one speaker pumps out thumping, thunderous low end from its mighty 12-inch woofer for bass that you can feel as well as hear. Now, on a side note, y'all remember the one I did last year? That sounded crazy and it had an 8-inch woofer. This one has a 12-inch woofer, so it's going to sound even better. You get party lighting. This system offers a variety of exciting effects, including dual strobe and dance lighting that let you light the pulse to the beat of your music. RGB life. Karaoke Creator. Suppress the vocal frequencies of a song to turn any track into a karaoke track. Microphone included. Now y'all know, once I get a microphone, I'm about to have too much fun. DJ cringe back in the building. Now you also got handles and wheels. Makes it easier to transport. Bluetooth connectivity. Wirelessly stream music from any Bluetooth device. You got LG Party Link. So if you got another LG compatible speaker, you can wirelessly pair two together. Now, last week I did the RK8. Anybody that's seen my live stream, y'all know that's the most fun I had with an LG speaker. We're going to pair two of them up together and see how they sound. You also got your DJ Sparkle lighting, your dance lighting, party accelerator. Y'all know the party thruster. We're going to test that out. Voice filters, Karaoke Creator, CD player, USB input, FM radio, DJ turntables, basically everything. All right, this speaker has everything. $700, 1,800 watts of power. All right, so let me pause the video, we'll unbox it, and let's see what it looks like. All right, so before we take a look at the speaker, let me show you all the accessories that you get. Got your usual books and shit, pluck them, file them to the side. Here's your plug. You get a remote control. Batteries for the remote. Here's your wire for the FM radio. And you get a microphone. Now this microphone is kind of heavy, definitely feels like quality. And you got your on and off switch. Now let's take a look at the speaker. All right, so I had to come all the way back here to get this speaker in the frame. This is a big giant speaker and it's pretty heavy. Giggity, but it looks dope. All right, so let's go through some of the buttons. All right, so this is what it looks like from the top. Let's go through all of the buttons. Here's your power button. You got your USB record and your demo button. Here's your mic volume. This is your master volume. Now you have two USB slots. You can play music from USB sticks, or you can also charge devices. Here's your function button. That's how you're going to switch between Bluetooth, auxiliary, radio, and all your other modes. Wireless link. Now say you got another LG speaker that has wireless link, like the RK8. Press that button, pair them up together wirelessly. Here's your play and pause, skip and reverse tracks, stop, eject for your CD tray. Here's your two DJ turntables. Now these have all the scratching effects. Check this out. The party thruster, y'all remember that? We're gonna play with that. Here's the party accelerator mode button. Notice it's in red. You got DJ loop. Here's your party starter, club, drum, user EQ. These are different DJ effects. Got your user EQ, more DJ effects. Here's your key changes for when you're doing karaoke. You got voice canceller, voice effects, and your mic echo. All right, so if you look a little bit lower, here's your top strobe light. There's another one on the bottom. I'll show you what they look like. You got two mic inputs. Here's your infrared sensor, and here's your CD tray. Now, if I spin this to the side, you see you got handles to carry it. And let me show you what the wheels look like on the bottom. Here's the wheels. Nice quality. You're going to need these because, like I said, this is super heavy. Now, this is what it looks like from the back. You got a fan, keep everything nice and cool. You got left and right auxiliary in. You got a 3.5 auxiliary in for non-Bluetooth devices. There's your antenna in for the FM radio and an optical in. Now, if you want to connect this to your TV, all you have to do is run an optical cable from the TV right to the back of the speaker. You also get a handle. And on the very bottom is where you plug it in. All right, so let's power this up and test it out. All right, so before we play some music, let's go through some of the different DJ effects. Here's the club. Here's the drum. You You're going to need that for the reggae music. Here's the user. Here's the party starter. Woo! Now that's like turning the ignition on. Get the party started. Now here's the party accelerator. Check this out. Woo! Let's go. All right, now this has 3 different modes. So here's the first one. Let's put it on the second mode. You hear the gears changing? I love that one. And here's the third one. Now this is my favorite one. All right, let me calm down. All right, let me grab a mic real quick and we'll play with the microphone. All right, so here's the mic. Let's turn it on and check the reverb. Testing. 1, 2, 3. DJ Crazy back in the building. I'm about to have way too much fun with this. All right, let's try some music. All right, so here we go. I got my usual test tracks queued up, max volume. All right, so let's check out the RGBs. All right, let's do one more test.
DJ Chris, 2019. Let's go.
All right, so overall, on a scale of 1 to 10, I'm giving this a major go. This speaker is incredible. The video is not doing it justice, but this is easily the loudest LG speaker that I heard yet. And I can tell you this, when you watch my next live stream, this is the speaker that you're going to see in the background. This is an all-in-one party machine. Now, is it worth $700? And the answer is yes. And let me tell you why. Now, I just did 2 separate tests. The first one I did, I paired 2 JBL boomboxes together and I played them against this speaker. This speaker was way louder and has a lot more bass. Then after that, I paired up those 2 Altec Lansons in the background and played them against this speaker. Now the Altec Lansons, they do sound a little bit louder, but at max volume, the bass starts to distort. With the LG speaker, max volume still sounded crystal clear. Now I'm using the user EQ, so I got max bass, max mids, and max highs. But it has a bunch of different preset EQs, so depending on what kind of music you like, play with it for yourself. This is an all-in-one party machine. This is all you're gonna need for your get-together. You got the DJ effects, RGB lights, you got the turntables, the party thruster, CD player. You can put USB drives and play music from your USB sticks. This is an all-around triple major go. Anyway, this is the LG XBOOM OK99. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about this one. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Voxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know, Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter. That's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. #salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces. Spock, Wonder Beam up. Energize.